guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something you can use on your scalp if you're experiencing excessive shedding. This is hair tea you can use on your scalp to make your hair healthy again. My name is Lydia. If you are new to the channel, please do well to subscribe. This channel is about natural remedies for hair growth. In this video, we are using only two ingredients, that's rosemary and hibiscus leaves. Yes, rosemary is very potent. Like the way I always bang on the importance of using rosemary, I hope that you always use rosemary in your hairsprays because rosemary is a very powerful ingredient. Rosemary improves blood circulation, and this helps in providing nutrients for healthy hair growth. Rosemary is backed by science, so I always say that because it's backed by science, it should give you more conviction when using rosemary. Yes, I always like to add it with something else so that it makes it more powerful. In this video, we are adding hibiscus leaves. These are dry hibiscus flowers. Yes, these are rather hibiscus flowers that you can mix with rosemary. Hibiscus is also something you can use to treat dandruff, and it's a gradual process. You don't have to, force it on your head at once. So after combining these together, I infuse them in hot water. If you've been on this page, I always give two options. Either you infuse it in hot water like what you see me doing in the video, or you boil them. With the infusion, you can do it infusing for about 15 to 30 minutes so that the nutrients in the herbs are well infused into the water, and then you are good to go. After that, strain it and then it is ready to be used. I like to use this when it is a bit warm, not very hot and not very cold, so that I am able to revive some nutrients. The scalp, if you want product to penetrate on the scalp, there should be some form of heat. That is what helps product penetration. Yes. So transfer it into a spray bottle of your choice, or you can use it as a scalp rinse after your wash day. This is able to combat any infection, any inflammation that is bound to happen on your scalp or anything. So transfer it into a spray bottle and then use it on your scalp. Please prepare enough for at most a week. Don't do too much, else it may go bad and you may regret doing too much. Yes, I hope you understand. So just make enough that you can use for like 3 or 4 days, or at most a week, so that you don't end up preparing and wasting so much. Yes, so this is the lively part, the fun part, the application part. Yes, I like to apply this on clean hair. Like your scalp has to be clean. It means that you should do this when you have washed your hair, not like as soon as you finish washing your hair. Let's say you washed your hair a week ago, you can just start using this on your scalp. I just want to say that don't use this on dirty scalp, else you are not going to, enjoy the benefits of it. Yes. So this is my hair. This is my hair, and I'm spraying this on the hair. Yes. I usually do this when I come from work. I just spray it quickly on my hair, especially if I don't want to unravel all my twists. I just spray it quickly on my hair, and then I give myself a good massage. This section of my hair got damaged. I don't know. I braided a certain braid and it got inflamed. It made a sore, and then it turned into a scar, which I'm praying that with my DIY treatment, in fact, I'm very hopeful that with my DIY treatment, my hair will start growing back again. Yes. So focus on the scalp and then give yourself a very good massage. Yes, please do well to massage your scalp. Don't just spray your hair and leave it like that. Please do well to massage your scalp so that it's able to revive the follicles on your scalp. It's very important to massage. Just spraying it on your hair, you haven't done anything. It's like just bathing and not really just bathing with water and without soap. Yes, but if you want to really smell and feel good, you have to add soap to it. So the reason why I combine hibiscus and rosemary is because these two combos are very good for hair growth. They're able to combat dandruff. They're able to really protect the hair. They're able to, protect the hair shafts, protect the scalp, and do a whole lot of things. Yes. You asked me that what are some of the combinations I can use. There are lots of combinations you can use. In fact, I have an ebook on where to get some herbs. On the herbs you can use on your hair. And if you are interested, you can just comment ebook. I'll send you the link to the ebook where you can get yourself some herbs and then make your own herb spray, herbs mask, and all of that. Different herbs you can use on your hair. Yes, I like to try different herbs, but my favorite, Like the videos you always see and the herbs I always use are usually my favorite. Yep. So I went after I sprayed it on my hair. I followed up with hair grease or hair butter or anything oily that is able to make the spray stay in your hair. You have to follow up. Like, it is very, very important. You don't have to leave your hair like that after the spray. This is able to help keep the hair moisturized for a longer period of time. Yes. So guys, this is how I moisturize my hair using hibiscus and rosemary, and I wish that you do it as well. You can do this while you're in braids because it is even better since you have better or easy access to your scalp. However it is, I'm saying that you can always treat your hair whichever condition that you find yourself in. So guys, this is how I moisturize my hair, and my hair is so healthy. I've always wanted long hair, but I realized that the longer my hair grows, the more difficult I manage it. So if you don't know, I like to trim my hair a lot. I'm always trimming my hair. I feel like I can manage my hair more when it is short. So that's how come I'm always trimming my hair. But if your goal is for length, please do not trim your hair as often as you want to. Yes, for me, the least thing I do, I just trim some parts of my hair. Yes, so because my goal is more focused on health and I'm not really obsessed about length anymore. My name is Lydia. If you've watched this video to the end, don't forget to comment ebook so I send you the link to get the herbs that you can use on your hair. Don't forget to comment ebook so I send you the link to the herbs that you can use on your hair. I hope you learned something from this video and I hope that you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe for more videos and more updates. I'll be ending here for today. Till next time, bye.